English greeting expressions. There are many ways of greeting people, both formal and informal. The speaker's task is to choose the appropriate one for the situation. It is also useful to know lots of different ones so as to not repeat yourself when you meet a number of people at the same time. As with any other aspect, you need to be careful about using informal expressions with people who you do not know well or whose rank or status is higher than yours. General greetings, formal. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing? How is everything? How is everything? How's everything going? How's everything going? How have you been keeping? How have you been keeping? I trust that everything is well. I trust that everything is well. General greetings, informal. Hi. Hi. What's up? What's up? Good to see you. Good to see you. How are things with you? How are things with you? How's it going? How's it going? How's life been treating you? How's life been treating you? Greeting a person you haven't seen for a long time, formal. It has been a long time. It has been a long time. It's been too long. It's been too long. What have you been up to all these years? What have you been up to all these years? It's always a pleasure to see you. It's always a pleasure to see you. How long has it been? How long has it been? I'm so happy to see you again. I'm so happy to see you again. Greeting a person you haven't seen for a long time, informal. How come I never see you? How come I never see you? It's been such a long time. It's been such a long time. Long time no see. Long time no see. Where have you been hiding? Where have you been hiding? It's been ages since we last met. It's been ages since we last met.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel, publish a video to your friends.